Hello, welcome back to the industrial pharmacy classes. In today's class, I am going to talk about the topic hardness testers. Hardness testers are basically classified into two main categories. One is mechanical hardness testers, and the second category is electronic testers. Under mechanical hardness testers, Monsanto, Strongkop, Pfizer, and Irveka will come under this category, whereas the sclunizer hardness tester is the one which comes under electronic tester. Now let us discuss about each testers individually. The Monsanto hardness tester consists of these parts. Let us see what these parts are. So the Monsanto tester has a plunger which is used for rotating the barrel, and this is the threading for rotating the plunger. It consists of a scale wherein the units are measured in kgs per square centimeter, and it has a pointer. It has a movable anvil which moves along with that of the plunger, and a stationary anvil, and the solid dosage form tablet is placed between the stationary anvil and the movable anvil, and this rectangular box is called the body of the hardness tester. These are the various parts of the hardness tester Monsanto. This is how the exact Monsanto hardness tester will look like. As I told you, this is the stationary anvil, this is the movable anvil, this is the scale, and here you have the pointer. This is the threading for this plunger to move forward and backward. These are the parts. Now let us see how the Monsanto tester is used for determining the hardness. The tablet is being placed on the stationary anvil, and the plunger is rotated in clockwise direction in such a way that this movable anvil comes very close to the tablet, and the plunger should be rotated in such a way that the tablet is firmly held firmly by the stationary anvil and the movable anvil. At that point, the pointer is made to be at 0. That means you have to bring the pointer to 0. Then you have to rotate this plunger in clockwise direction, and at a particular point the tablet breaks. While the plunger is rotated, the pointer also moves along the sliding scale, and the corresponding value will give you the hardness of the tablet. In this case, let us say the pointer stops at 5, then the hardness of the tablet will be 5 kgs per square centimeter. This is how the Monsanto hardness tester is used for determining the hardness of tablets. Now let us see the second hardness tester, Strongkop. This one also works similarly on the principle or mechanism of Monsanto. This one has a stationary platform and a movable anvil. The tablet is placed on the stationary platform, and this handle is slightly raised such that the movable anvil just touches the tablet, making the tablet to be intact between the stationary platform and the movable platform. And to the top you have the dial gauge, and this dial gauge has a pointer, and this pointer has to be brought to 0 with the help of a knob which is present on the dial gauge. Then the test is ready for to be started. And on the other hand, this dial gauge has two scales, one in kgs per square centimeter, and the other unit that is present is Strongkop units. Now the lever is still further raised up, and at a particular point it breaks. When it breaks, the pointer rotates and it gives a value on the scale. So the pointer points to a particular, coincides with one of the divisions on the dial gauge, and that value is the hardness of the tablet, and you can able to record either in kgs per square centimeter or in Strongkop units. So this is how the Strongkop hardness tester is used for determining the hardness of tablet. The third category, the third hardness tester is the Pfizer hardness tester, which works on the principle of cutting plier. So here this one has a stationary platform, and a movable platform, and you press this one in such a way that the tablet is intact between the two anvils, and this dial gauge has a pointer, and pressing this button the dial gauge will come to 0, and you still further press this handle, thereby the hardness of the tablet can be determined at with a crushing point and giving a deflection in the dial gauge. The corresponding value is the hardness of the tablet. This is how the Pfizer tester is used. The Irveka hardness tester. This tester is used based on the weights. So here onto the stationary platform, the tablet is placed, and the weighing pan is brought very close to the tablet, and it is brought to the head of the tablet, and the base of the pan it just touches the tablet. Once it touches, then the test can be started. So you have to go on adding weights into the pan, and at a particular weight the tablet crushes. You sum up all the weights, and the total weight will give you the hardness of the tablet. This is how the Hirveka hardness tester works. Coming to the electronic hardness tester, which is known as a scrutinizer tester, which works on the principle of constant load. Here quantity can, that means a constant iron bar like thing, which has a constant load maybe of 1 kg weight or 2 kgs, and here this is the tablet which is placed, and this moves forward with the help of a motor driven by the device, and at a particular point the tablet crushes, and the pointer which is on the scale will slowly move, and at the point where it crushes it stops. That is the point where the hardness of the tablet depends upon. And here the value units are same like strong cop units. You have both kgs per square centimeter at the top, and at the bottom you have the strong cop units. This is how the scrutinizer tester works. Let us see the picture here. So this is the scrutinizer tester which is used in pharmaceutical quality control labs. And if you see here to the right hand side, this in this picture, this bar is a constant load of constant weight, maybe 1000 grams. And the tablet hardness, whose tablet that means whose hardness is to be determined, is placed over here, and the scrutinizer tester is switched on, and this load constant load moves gently towards the tablet, and it crushes the tablet, and the reading is seen over here digitally. So the value gives the hardness of the tablet directly. So this scrutinizer tester is the most accurate and more powerful, and it is widely used in pharmaceutical industries. But apart from mechanical hardness testers, in that means in mechanical hardness testers, Monsanto tester is widely used. So this is all about the various hardness testers. And in today's class, we have discussed about Monsanto hardness tester, strong cop, Pfizer, Irveka, and scrutinizer. So these are the various hardness testers which are used in pharmaceutical quality control labs for determining the hardness of tablets. And we'll continue with some more sessions in the future classes. Thank you.